take a look at the gross features of the prostate. You can see the urinary bladder above. You can see the urethra coming down and piercing the prostate to enter the penis. Not shown here, but let us focus on the prostate. So the whole thing is the prostate. So first make out the urethra piercing the prostate. You can also see the ejaculatory duct piercing the prostate from posteriorly and emerge and entering into the urethra inside the prostate. So these are the structures what you see, major structures that you see inside the prostate is the urethra and the ejaculatory duct. Now here I am trying to make symbol the zones of the prostate. So essentially we know the prostate has two parts, a glandular part and a fibromuscular part. So as you see, this is the anterior aspect. So all this dotted part represents the fibromuscular part. As the name implies, it contains fibrous and smooth muscle. So it has a fibromuscular stroma which is located anteriorly. Remaining part, all this colored region represents the glandular part. So here there is an interesting arrangement which I noticed is you can make out three cups. The larger cup is located posterior most. See, that is the peripheral zone. So posterior most is the peripheral zone, followed by the intermediate cup shaped, that is a central zone here, followed by a smaller cup or the transitional zone. So here if you track, the urethra pierces the transitional zone, ejaculatory duct pierces the central zone, and the peripheral zone is free of structures, but it contains a lot of glandular elements, and here is a region where majority of the cancer prostate is seen. While the transitional zone, which is around the urethra, is the major site for benign prostatic hypertrophy. So this is a very simple way to remember the zones of prostate. Thank you.